Hey guys, I'm with Veronica.
Hi.
We're gonna show you my Hello Kitty item. So first is my pencil case. This is my Melody. And my Hello Kitty and Melody button. This is mechanical pencil. And this one is about. And then
Hello Kitty eraser.
Hello Kitty eraser. This is a backpack. What's my so cute? So next, my Hello Kitty bus. This is so weird. This is a big paper. So that's all. And I forgot. Hello Kitty ID. That's this Hello Kitty kitchen. That's all. That's all. Thank you for watching. And thank you for liking and watching my video. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Bye bye.